and in today's video I have an amazing update for you guys. So I spoke to the Faculty of Business and Economics of Vilnius University and we've decided that any one of you, like any student can get the 50% off application fee waiver. Yes, so you don't have to wait, start your applications right away. So yes, I came here to tell you that the time is ticking and the seats are actually filling up. So approach me, message me, LinkedIn me, DM me, Instagram DM me, or like do whatever possible way and approach me and get your codes for 50% off discount on your application fee, guys. Don't wait. I would also like to give you a general description of how this works. So there are two cases. One, the student opts for my help. By that I mean my services, which would be a paid one. In that, I will do a pre-scanning of all your documents. Let's say right from your motivation letter, from your CV, how the CV has to be modified. I will help you with your statement of purpose or motivation letter, like what details you have to put, what would be eye-catchy to the admission officer, and what is best for students to easily get admitted. I will also prepare you for the face-to-face interview, because as soon as you submit your application to the Vilnius University and you pay your application fee, you get a pre-offer letter. By that I mean like the university will send you like, hey, your name, and you have been like selected, so let's have a face-to-face interview with the admission officer, and then you will receive your final application results. So then you will have a face-to-face interview with the admission officer, and in this interview they will ask various questions on why do you want to study in this particular course, how do you even know Lithuania, like okay, what attracted you most in Lithuania, and there are plenty questions which the admission officers would ask you. So students are quite scared to face this interview. So with my help, with my services, you can also I will also train you for all this interview. You will also get a mock interview with me, wherein I will be questioning you and you will be answering me. So there will be like two mock interviews. One would be the first before 2-3 days before your actual interview with the officer, and one would be like a day before your actual interview with the officer, and I will tell you how you change yourself, how you modify the way of talking or your answers, and I will guide you through that. So that is one. And then I will help you with your documentations, with your visa related queries, with your other blah 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 queries. So this would be one step. The second step is, let's say a student actually is smart and capable enough to say, okay, Netra, I would like to get the application fee waiver from you, but I will apply to the application myself. I will not be opting for your pre-scanning services. In that case also, he can come to me and get your codes. I am so sorry guys, for students who have already paid the full application fee. I spoke to the university. I tried my best to get your 50% of money back. At least reduce that money in your tuition fee. Like for example, if your tuition fee for 1 year is like 4,000 euros, I thought I could at least talk to the university and ask them to like issue an invoice of 3,950. But no, the university has a different system. So I'm so sorry. Unfortunately, that doesn't work. I feel so bad for you guys, but yes, I will try to support you in all the ways possible. I'm here for you. I'm here to help you guys. So don't worry, you can always approach me. I might be a little late in replying to all of your messages. I'm so sorry for that, because I have a lot in my plate. So I really like to take some time off for myself as well. So but I will try to reply to all your messages, everyone contacting me. You can contact me via Facebook. Facebook is actually a preferred way of communication for me. So stay connected. And one more thing I forgot to say, for students who opt for my services, especially the pre-scanning and services, I will also help you with job search here in Lithuania. If your profile is smart enough, if I feel like, okay, this particular candidate is way good and can benefit the company, then I will directly connect you with the HR, and all sort of help can be done. So please don't wait anymore. The seats are filling so fast in this particular university, this particular faculty, and especially after the 50% of application fee waiver. Oh my god, there are like a lot of students who are coming to me and like asking, can you please help me with this and stuff. So I highly recommend you guys to just keep tracking my videos and ask me whatever whenever you want. I might not be very active on YouTube comment sections, but I'm super active on Facebook, guys. So please connect to me on Facebook if you have any queries. I will try to answer you best. And yeah, I want to help every one of you, and I want all of you to have a wonderful future. So please stay connected, and please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, good luck, and I'm right here if you need me. Okay? See you soon in my next video, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.